student, in our today's GK session, we will know about different types of games and different types of players also. We will know that which different types of games we play with balls and which games we will play without ball. We can play without ball. Okay. Then we will know about some players that who will play which game. Okay, and some terms in sport which we can use. So you watch all videos properly and then try to understand it, and then complete all exercises in your English GK textbook. Okay. Hello dear students, in our today's GK session we will know about some games. Open your GK textbook, lesson number 31, ball games, on page number 34. See, here you have given some ball games which we play with balls, right? And what we have to do here we have to identify the game and write its name below the picture. Take help of the clues given in the poem. Here one poem is given. There are many sports we play with a round or oval ball. Cricket, football, rugby, volleyball, table tennis, polo and baseball. Playing with a ball is such fun. Hit the ball and you have won, right? And most of the boys will like to play with ball and girls also, right? So let's see which different games are there. Okay, tell me which game is this? This is, you all know, cricket. So write down here cricket. First letter capital CRICKET, cricket. Okay, this one correct, table tennis. TABLE, table tennis. TENNIS. Okay. Then third, which game is this? Football. Correct. Football. Okay. Then fourth, which game is this? Polo. Right? Polo. Then which game is this? Fifth one, rugby. Right? This game is rugby. 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 Then this sixth one is baseball. Baseball. Okay. Then this last one is volleyball. Okay, here you can write in this way. Okay, students. Now, next. Here you have given some games. These all games are without a ball, right? Games without a ball. Name of the lesson is Games Without a Ball. Lesson number 32 on page number 35. Okay. See. There are some games we play without a ball. Look at the pictures, choose the correct name of the game and write it in the box. The clues will help you. Here you have given all these games, and during lockdown we all have played these games a lot, right? So here you have given archery, badminton, monopoly, chess, Scrabble, carom and roller skating. So one by one we have to write down. Which game is this? Chess. Okay. Where is chess here? D. So here write down D. Then which game is this? Carom. Where is carom here? Here in F. So write down in second F. Carom. Okay. Third one. Which game is this? Monopoly. Right? So where is Monopoly? C. So in third, C. Then fourth, which one? Archery. So A. Fourth, A. Then fifth, Scrabble. So where is Scrabble? E. So write down here E. Right? Then sixth one. Which game is this? Badminton. So sixth, B. And what is this? Roller skating. So G. Okay. So do it like this in your GK textbook. Okay students, next lesson number 33, name my game, on page number 36. See, the following sports stars are very popular in their respective sports. Here you have given some sports stars, and these sports stars are very popular in their games, right? What sports do they play? Choose your answer from the given clues. Here clues are given. You have to find out that these stars are famous in which game. Which game they play. Okay. So first, she is PV Sidhu. Right. Which game she is playing? Badminton. Okay. So where is badminton? In B. So write down here B. Okay. Then Magnus Carlsen. Magnus Carlsen is playing which game? E. Chess. Okay. So see here chess is given in E. So E chess. Then Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez is playing which game? Football. So in F. Right? Okay. Sebastian Vettel. Sebastian Vettel is playing which game? See, car racing, right? You can see the dress they wear. Okay. Sebastian, car racing. So, D. Okay. Then, Serena Williams. You all know tennis. Where is? Yes, A. Serena Williams, A. Then, Michelle Phelps. Which game Michelle Phelps is? Swimming. G. Right? Michelle Phelps is swimming. Then Usain Bolt. Which game Usain Bolt is? Running. Right. He is a runner. So H. And then Jason Day. Jason Day is famous in golf. So C. Okay, so these players are famous in this different game. Students, after knowing about different games, now next lesson is sports term. In each and every sports, there are some terms which player used, right? They have their own some languages, right? So which different terms they used here, that we have to write. Write the terms given at the bottom of the page below the pictures of the games they are associated with. Right? See here some terms are given. Green holes, scissor kick, no ball, scoop, offside, corner kick, LBW, bully, tee, four balls, googly, high stick. Okay? So these terms are used in which game, that we have to find out. Okay? So let's see. First, we will see golf. This game is golf. So in golf, which different terms we use? First we use green holes. Then we use tee. Okay. And then we use four balls. These three terms we use in golf. Then football. Then which three terms we use in football? So first is scissor kick, then offside, then corner kick. These three we used in football. Now in hockey, which terms we use in hockey? Scoop, then bully, and then high stick. These three terms we use in hockey, and in cricket we use no balls, then LBW, and then googly. Okay, so these three terms right here. Okay, I will write and I will send you the pic. So complete this in your GK textbook.